Minnesota Pollution Control Agency study found that Minnesota K-12 public schools generate an estimated 483,520 pounds of waste per day. Over 78% of school waste can be diverted from one-trash to organics, composting, and container paper recycling collection programs. Trash that ends up in landfills takes up space for many generations and cannot be reused or recycled.
Now more than ever, we need to reduce our impact on our environment.
Apollo is making a difference, and you can help.
At Apollo, we are in the third year of a waste reduction program where we sort our recyclables. This has saved the school money and reduced our garbage pickups. Students, clubs, staff, and parents all pitch in to help make this program a success.
In classrooms, we have begun to recycle more items than just paper. Bottles, cans, milk cartons, paper, and cardboard can all be recycled in classrooms in the blue recycling containers. Other materials such as chip bags, string cheese wrappers, candy wrappers, paper towels, and plastic bags will need to be put in the trash bins.
This year, we will begin to sort our compostables in the lunch area. A compostable is anything organic or anything that can decay or rot and turn into fertile soil for plants. According to the Minnesota Pollution Control Agency, the single most common material generated by schools is food waste, which composes of 23.9% of the total waste generated. Sorting out our organic compostables will reduce the waste product by our school.
Apollo will have the white sorting stations in the commons, so when you're finished eating, here's all you will need to do.
Sort it. Separate the things you didn't consume so you can breeze through the sorting station. If you had a sandwich, burrito, or other food in a plastic wrapper, take it out of the wrapper so you can send the wrappers to the landfill and the food to the composter.
The paper can go into the compost side of the sorting container.
Pour it. Pour out any milk or other drink you were not able to finish.
daadi caanahadan rabin ama aadan dhammaynin.
Recycle it. Milk and other drink cartons, glass or plastic bottles, and aluminum cans go in the blue-topped recycling container.
Qashinka kurid caaga oo caanaha ama biyaha oo qaba baclaha qashinka oo buluuga leh ku qor kurid.
Trash it. Into the landfill container, put things like straws, plastic utensils, plastic bags, plastic wrap, plastic dip containers, string cheese wrappers, snack bags, and candy wrappers.
Compost it. Food waste napkins and other food sale paper can go into the compost side of the sorting container. Please do not put any plastics into the compost container. Organics with any plastic material included will not be able to be composted and will be sent to a landfill.
Wixii soo haray iyo istaraashada waxaa ku ridaa qaybta oo wasakhda. Reuse it. Whenever possible, bring containers from home that can be reused, like water bottles at our hydration station.
Remember, we are all in this together, and at Apollo, we also compost and recycle in the kitchens, classrooms, hallways, and staff lounges.
The key to successful recycling is to stop, think, and sort.
Remember, the plastic bottle you recycle today could become the fleece jacket you wear tomorrow.
Wow! Let's have some examples.
Separate them.
Recyclable. Okay, what out of your lunchbox can be recycled?
Plastic.
Awesome. How about compostable? What in there can you put in the compost?
Banana peel. You got no crust on that. That's about it.
So remember, in the blue recycling container, put bottles, milk, and other drink cartons and aluminum cans. In the landfill container, put plastic bags, chip, and other snack packaging and candy wrappers. In the composting container, put paper bags, napkins, leftover food, and any container labeled compostable.
At Apollo, we are proud to be setting an example for all schools. We care about the world we live in. Join the effort and be part of the solution. It's the right thing to do, and
it's easy!